Aloha and welcome to the Developmental and Reproductive Biology graduate program at the John A. Burns School of Medicine, University of Hawaii, which offers master's and PhD degrees. The DRB program is small but highly specialized and unique nationwide. We are one of the very few programs in the US that focus on reproductive and developmental biology. We offer research opportunities in areas of gametogenesis, fertilization, embryogenesis, developmental biology, stem cells, congenital abnormalities, and anatomical imaging. Our students perform cutting-edge research, present their findings at meetings, and publish them in a variety of journals. They also engage in teaching and service outreach activities at the university.
The Developmental and Reproductive Biology program is closely associated with the Institute for Biogenesis Research, the IBR, which is a basic institute which studies reproductive biology, and the clinical department of the Department of Obstetrics, Gynecology, and Women's Health. The IBR developed several important reproductive biology discoveries over the time, such as the first ICSI, the first mouse that was the first sperm that was injected to an egg was done here. IVF studies were done here. The first transgenic mouse using the sperm was done here. And these studies have evolved into more genetically related studies where we're now doing even gene therapy. The Developmental Reproductive Biology program, the Institute for Biogenesis Research, and the Department of Gynecology form a triad. They can learn translational research where they do basic science research in the IBR, or they can do clinical research with the clinicians in the Department of Gynecology.
The DRB program offers a unique experience created through the dedication of our talented faculty. Through these faculty members, the curriculum covers a specific focus on reproduction and development, while still offering a broad array of skills and academic interests. The DRB coursework prepares students for various careers after completing their degrees. For instance, these program alumni become professors in academic facilities and biotech company specialists, such as embryologists.
I teach at Kapiolani Community College, Anatomy and Physiology, and I am also an embryologist at Fertility Institute of Hawaii. While at DRB program, I performed in vitro fertilization using mouse animal model, and just studied mammalian reproduction, focusing on sex determination and Y chromosome genes.
Being part of the DRB program and being mentored by Dr. Monica Ward was an amazing experience. It provided me with fundamental knowledge in male development, anatomy, and fertility. What I learned equipped me really well to undertake my first postdoc at Duke University with Dr. Blanche Capel, and my current postdoc at Weill Cornell Medicine with Dr. Dolores Lamb.
The DRB program influenced me in a variety of ways. I honed my skills in experimental design as well as manuscript and grant writing. I also learned a great deal about the values of being engaged in the scientific community. Now in my own lab, I try to pass on those same core skills and lessons to my students.
DRB acquires teaching assistant positions in physiology and anatomy, strengthening their preparation and competitiveness for medical school and other academic facilities. The translational research activities carried out by DRB students serve a similar purpose. Some of our alumni chose medical school as a career path, and several have already progressed to become resident physicians.
Students are often financially supported by a graduate assistantship program. Through this program, they are allowed to gain both skills in education and research while being able to financially support themselves throughout however long their tenure is here. I personally am a teaching assistant, and I've been working in the physiology department for about a few years now. And through my teaching experience, I've learned multiple things in the form of communication and understanding, and really developing a bond and understanding of how it is to actually educate students in the UH system. As a teaching assistant, it is hard work, and it's important for people to actually understand that they are a part of the system entirely, and that their work often makes a grand impact on the undergraduates.
Being in the DRB program has allowed me to both expand my own research skills and contribute to high-impact research. Specifically, I have been using advanced gene targeting methods such as CRISPR to investigate Y chromosome gene function. When complete, our research will have large implications both for species preservation and for reproductive biology.
Our students come from all around the world with very diverse backgrounds, but I personally really enjoy how we're kind of brought together with the IBR staff in that if we ever need help or have questions or any concerns, both academic or personal, we can contact faculty or another member of the IBR student group and receive a helpful answer that is personal and compassionate.
DRB for us is not just a purely working area. We also find time to get together during lunches, holiday celebrations, and birthday party, and even karaoke. The DRB students are like one large family where we care about each other and like each other's company.
Through the Developmental and Reproductive Biology program at the University of Hawaii at Manoa, you will not only gain the knowledge and skills essential for your future career development, but you'll also be surrounded by supportive faculty, mentors, and peers. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you.